Beautiful sight. Look at that majestic snow-capped mountain. That low cloud's been hanging over that all day. It's beautiful. Fortunately, we gotta get back in the shack and continue cleaning. I'm Rick, and this Shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Prepare up for your sanity. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. Hey, if you're new to the channel or if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. Always ask that you would consider subscribing, and if you do, ring that bell down there so you are notified when these videos do come out. Give it a thumbs up, like it, and share. It definitely helps the channel. Yesterday I took a break and I stayed in because I kind of woke up with a migraine, and because we can't go out and do anything and we're pretty well stuck at home, I decided to make something comforting. Since I can't go out and get any yogurt or anything, I made my favorite carrot cake, or Papa's favorite carrot cake. It is a recipe derived from 3 other recipes that I kind of mixed and matched and took the best out of each, what I like for my taste. So if you want to check that video, it's coming out almost same time this one, but check up here, I'll have a link to it. Other than that, we're back in the shop. More clean, we're tackling, actually we're going to do one quick little area that has a few things that need to go out into the storage, a couple sheets of wood goods that need to go into the cart. Get that cleaned up, then we're going to tackle this next section and start cleaning that out. Now this section here, very easy, very simple. I got rebar, needs to go out to the storage. I have some bags of cement. All this rebar cement for a project a little bit later. Still trying to figure something out. Melamine and another piece. Actually one piece goes in the dumpster. And then I have spray gun, my pressure washer, and another piece of the cabinet that's out there now that needs to go out. So this whole section is going to go right now. Boom, all cleaned. A couple things I got to move to the storage. I put the refrigerator over here. That's got to go in storage, but we have to rearrange it for now. But all this is going into storage, but I don't have the room right now. I'm going to start this section, what I wanted to start this week. When that is finished, I will go to the next section, which is right behind all that, next to my table saw. And then my table saw, when all this is cleaned, then I'm going to go into the storage unit, pull some things out. We're going to sell and list some stuff, put that to the front, and move this stuff into the storage, get it out of the way, so that'll free up all this area for me. This is huge. Lots of space popping up now. Let's not stop now. It's a beautiful day out, but we're going to continue to clean. Well, I got a little distracted, of course. Normal with my ADD, but I see all this. I didn't stop here. I continued to go back there, straightened up a little bit, vacuumed all the dirt and dust off, got a few things organized. This stuff I'm going to list and try to sell. I got 2 boxes of old tool stuff I got to get rid of somehow, or it goes to the Salvation Army. Don't know how, but this bucket here is stuff from Mexico. I don't know how I got it. It's our painting supplies, and this stuff, this has got to go back to the church. It's not mine. Pretty good progress today. I didn't get over here like I wanted, but I got this done, and I got all that down there organized, and I got a lot of stuff thrown away. Got some stuff there packaged, ready to ship. I'm going to put it on eBay. This I will start tomorrow. I just got a little sidetracked and I am kind of tired. So we'll start on that tomorrow, and hopefully I can get, if I can get 80% of that cleaned, that I'll be happy. I want to get the table saw cleaned off because I've been putting stuff over there as I clean through it to figure out what I'm going to do with it. Trash it, keep it, sell it. So I'm going to go through that, clean it off, because I do want to make a project this week. I need a little break. So that's going to be it for this video, very short. I still got to go in and finish editing the one that's supposed to come out today, Monday. So it may come out late, and this one will be out Tuesday. So a little bit behind, but trying to do one every single day is really wearing me out because it takes a long time for me to edit. Anyway, I'm happy, I'm jazzed. I have this sense of accomplishment. I see things progressing, I'm happy. And I hope that you are doing the same. Getting out there, cleaning up things you would not normally do, putting it aside, but not putting it aside no longer, taking care of it, and that's what it's all about. We're kind of screwed in our situation right now, and I think it's taking its toll on people, but as long as I come out here, stay busy, keep doing this, it's going to get me through. Thank you so much for watching, people. Let's take back your check before you go sanity. See you next video.